Hello. Welcome back. We'll look more into sets. As you can see on the screen, we're looking at difference, intersection, is disjoint, and some other methods of sets. Now back to your elementary mathematics, you are taught sets. In Python, we can actually do those operations using sets. So let's start quickly. Let's see what we can do in Python. Okay, we just declared two variables a and b as you can see on the screen, and they are sets. Now we want to perform, we'll start with the first to know the intersection between these two sets. Now when we get to a dot intersection, actually I'm not going to use all those methods that you already know about, the add, the return, and the rest, because they add, the copy, they are what we do. So A dot intersection B gives us those values that are in A and that are also in B. So when you look at it, we have 3 in A and we have 6 in A. We also have 3 and 6 in B. So this is the intersection. So if you are given two values and there's what's the what are those things that are in A that are also in B? You just make use of set and you get the intersection. So with that, we are good to go. Let's look at the difference. The difference A dot difference B. Now, what will this return? It's just 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Now, it takes the intersection and it pull away the intersection in the new string it will give you, in the new list iterable it will give you. So A intersection B, A difference B, first looks at those things that are in B and in A. It takes them away and returns the elements of A. A intersection B, A difference B is the set of A, that is the set A minus A intersection B. Now, what that is just the difference. That is just the difference. Now, this is something like that. I say A difference B is what? A, set of A, good, set of A dot set of A minus the set of A intersection B. So that is what it will give us. It will give us the difference. That is just the difference. Okay. Now let's look at the is this joint. Is this joint actually tells us true or false? It's a Boolean return. It returns a bool. Tells us if the two sets are disjoint or they are joint. So I say A dot is this joint B. It tells me false. Why? Because there's an intersection. So any set that have an intersection is a joint set. But any set that does not have an intersection is a disjoint set. So we should have that at the back of our mind. Now we'll look at the subset. You know the concept of subset, that A is a subset of B. If A is a subset of B, if A have the values that are in B. So we're going to say A dot subset subset A dot a subset, please. It also gives us a bool, a subset of B, and it gives us false. A is not a subset of B. Yes, A is not a subset of B. When you turn it the other way, B dot is subset, B dot is subset A, always return false because they are not subsets. They don't have everything that the other set have. So let me put it clear to you now. If B is a subset of A, B, A has all the elements of B. A has all the elements of B. I will create another set. Let me create another set. C equals to range of 1 to 21. Then C, okay. Let me make do of this list. Let me make do of the list so that it will not be as a generator. Okay, good. This way, leave it this way. Then with this, I say C dot, okay, if A dot is subset of what? Of C, gives me false. Gives me false. Guess I know where this error is coming from. Let me say C list range 1, 21. Gives me this. Then turn your C to C underscore set is equal to set. Okay. I know where I got it wrong. Set C. So it gives me C underscore set. It gives me the set. Okay. This is where I got it wrong. I think so. To use the set and not the shorthand. So then C. Good. That's why I got it wrong. So I repeat this, that A is a subset of C. It gives me true because all the elements of C is in A. All the elements of C is in A. So C is a subset of A. It gives me true. Good. So we'll look at the supersets. Superset. So C, or look at C is superset C dot is superset of A. It gives me true. Yes, because it is. A is a superset of C. Why C is a subset of A is a superset of C. It gives me true. That is just it. Then we'll look at the symmetric difference. Now we want to pick our A dot difference what? A dot difference B. Look at what it gave us. It took away the disjoint, the intersection between the two sets, and returned all the value of the set in A. But whatever this side, we look at A dot symmetric difference, symmetric difference, B. So what does it give us? Now look at it. It took away the the intersection and gave us the union of A and B. It took away, so A dot symmetric difference B is mathematically represented as A A in A union B minus A intersection B. A union B minus A intersection B. It gives us everything and it took away the intersection. So finally, let's look at union. What union does? Union just give us everything. So A dot union B give us the value of A and B together. So in this video, we've looked at some concepts of of sets and its operation in Python. So please do well by going through all these we have learned in this video and make do of them. Thank you very much for watching. Please, as I always say, if you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and like or react to our content, to our video. You can also share and comment. Thank you very much. Do have a nice day. It's nice having you here. Bye bye.